Hey guys, thanks for joining me again on All About Paint DIY. Today I'm going to talk about the Monster magnetic paint and right paint. And this is what you would use on a wall when you want to create your own white board. And ideally suited because you're not limited to any size with this idea. So first we have our magnetic paint. You roll it out on a clean surface. You can use our Monster Prep Seal first, but on a clean surface on your wall, mark it all out. And roll this out. It's a very heavy type paint, but when it's dried and finished, it will actually allow you to stick magnets on it like a normal whiteboard would. When you're done with that, let that dry. You can give it a light sand over if you've made it a rougher texture. If you smooth it out properly, then you can get right over it with the right paint. And with our right paint, what you have with it is you mix this part directly into part B, stir it around. These are all still water-based products, but this dries as a very hard-wearing paint and gloss. And when it's finished, it looks like a whiteboard. And you then just roll it out like a normal paint over the magnetic paint. If you don't want the magnet feature, you can exit this one and apply this straight to your walls, and you get that whiteboard effect, and there is no limit. And so if you want to get creative at home, for the kids, give them a wall that they can go and scribble with what they like with their whiteboard markers, go for it. Or, if you're like me, you just make it occupy your office space at work or in the home office space. Or you can get a lot of creativity with your sports team, your footy team, your netball team, your soccer team, and use this for your change room so the coach has got plenty of room to write his instructions or her instructions on there and get all those messages up there that count before you go and play that game. So now watch how we apply these products to create your whiteboard. pretty simple to use, as you can see. So if you'd like to know more about this, you can contact our Monster crew or get on the Monster Shop website. The information's there with the data and also on how to buy this and the coverage. But just to give you a bit of a hint, 1 litre for about 3 square metres of area, and that will give you quite a large whiteboard, because if you go and buy a 3 square metre whiteboard, that's a big mother. But you can use 1 litre for one whiteboard for 3 square metres, or if you want to do the whole wall of your office, then we've got it in 4 litre kits as well. So inquire through on monstershop.com, all the details are there on how to buy it. It gets delivered straight to you, no flammables, all enviro friendly, safe to use. Enjoy. I look forward to seeing your masterpiece on that whiteboard.